Department. A shelter-in-place order has been issued for an escaped patient originating from Motions Behavioral Hospital, Lake Charles. This individual is believed to be armed with a knife and should be avoided at all costs. Residents in Lake Charles are asked to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, go indoors, lock all doors and windows, do not respond to any activity outdoors. This alert will remain in effect until the individual has been contained. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information.